Obuafuana Ni papinya Obuafuawa Brabwa Shasia Kaudwa chu Yewa mwebia ya mwani pande Yewa mwebia ya mwani pande Ya mwani paora Otiasi Obuafuana Ni pape brenya Obuafuawa Brabwa Shasia Kaudwa chu Ni paya mwao Oni paya mwao Yemwani pawa mra Otiasi Yemwani pawa mra Otiasi Yemwani pawa mra Oni paya mwao
Yankopon show before say ene den so radio bi kwan ama mene wo ebe twetwe nkomo kakra your friend Apostle Collins Body eye generous na radio adom odi free anim ekwani the generousm no may match in a center of gospel to me host a lot of gospel programs Yankopon show the brain mene wo betwetwe nkomo nyame di pakese ewo mentem na mene wo betwetwe nkomo dentia mene wo ana wo tenase ahwe me video yi ene onyame adom manya onyame di for kese pa mene no betwetwe nkomo na odifo abomo nyame adom ko odifo mene kese ye frɛ no onyame di for Prophet Richmond Man mateninka mahwe ne no ma bebre na aye akwanya ama mene onyame di for asia Prophet Richmond Man one na oda offenders second chance Ghana na many things said minyano na mene no atwetwe nkomo odifo ma muso asem ade offenders second chance Ghana odifo
yo de dika mechia ahwefo nyina na mada apostle asese wo mama kwanya se mene gidifo ni adofo mo nya kwanya hwe nyina entwetwe nkomo nyame onchire obi aso nyamre se ohwe kada offenders second chance Ghana ye NGO a wo Ghana ha yetumadi a yedini se ye hwe omo me vulnerable in a society oma wo muni kamafo be street children omo image bebiafo prisoners ene oma muni minyanka ana nyame nam so a ye hwe wo me ego omo se omo nya da che no niema asi ye ama o eti ogimadi anyame di atum akoma so a mia me ni opanyina nyame nam so te modeli
na tese me kira anasa me bisa offenders second chance Ghana wono and what the cover by broni be kan say we founder ewo offenders second chance Ghana NGO okay now we can be about the inmates no obi ntiase e dey the inmates e dey na betimi akali atre the meaning of inmates
ye ka say inmates ni tietia kan ko bi akebe say dey prisoners ne bia for
okay omo da
efiase bintie no makoto efiase omo ne efre no inmates
okay na chese odifo ochira say ne botaye a ode ati NGO ade boa sebe womo akomobo no mo makage ne botaye pa bebrebe NGOs ebibie ye enyanka ya wo mo babede emedia dan mu da womo a edan duam pa na right now you say awade de atuna kuma so say oboa offenders second chance Ghana de kofa ba ye no womo ati say eye NGO eye ade a wo de support nyame ma ene adofo a makoka dem osofo mamusa ya wo say what sra prisons and I said the beer or eye na biada mu bebre na onu mo didi di komo bebre na wakoye wo mo bebre adenti na ho na wo de mo a
no kwam say ye share dwumadi na so no ye dwumadi a enye adibiafo nko an ye hwe on better the prisoners en krofo a omo da yakoma so pa so re a ye dikan kokọ enyanka mofra omo street ye Veronica street children who why you fa omo ne de to school ne ye hwe omo school ne de keka ho nyina na de tie ani si na biafo so an say nipa bebre wo hono ma ye don koto afiase abusuafo enu krofo tag wo say omo ye criminal remember ye criminal sana so omo ye krofo a omo ye ba ye hwem pa se wonya kwanya akosase na biafo abem say enya omo de afiase na omo nye ana so omo de afiase na ne koye bibi etoda you can be at the wrong place at the wrong time.
Yes, 19 Kuba. I mean, what kind of assembly? So, okay, I bear a year 2001. Only say a total of Fiasca. Now, the year 2 Fiasna. The name said, Mekai said, no, never Sameco, South Africa. Now, who could jam or airport? Who could jam airport? Many airport morning passer. The one inside. Me to South Africa and Mianti say police are choke. Up there, say almost searching for criminals. To who one more suspect. The man so now police station. Say immediate crowd and Caribbean and up now only case. To both say, someone say, oh come on. Now I call on that sense. You see, it is the old kind of okay. Offenders second chance Ghana. I said they can President Anasa Kofabai and I'm not treating Kumu. Ebia Ugo as a semi and I'm Wabia. Now all support to be out. Share your video and say the number it was here, the email number it was here, the Facebook and WhatsApp number it was here. You can call in, WhatsApp in. And also you can text your messages or you can go to his Facebook and send any comment or any donation our person for the support. Namishla. Many trust offenders second chance Ghana. Manyantia the group will say who focus to a friend medicure and pedicure. Me trust you know them as na member there how you dey fiance there. You better yourself because how many times you move member or be medicure and pedicure. And now what any focus be what you as well. Papa me you.
You do my dear see and so I shall female prisons.
Okay, next you say, oh shepa, and you multi trooper, say a baksa, a fiaswana, a multi true 90% pa.
Yeah, your plans will member but a faces. Seven no can say the ma Jumagini Ashas, a chum, Gentia, say, my performer of papa. Eitino say, Omunya could there a fiaso no mania before be a man, you are moment chain. I'm a bomb, a brown pure Benya Aya. Now, the entire DNC pedicure and manicure, no question say. In fact, we call and if you're fibra, almost my dear. Ebi esuya ade pam e wo ho ebi esuya se tu brodo ngiri se aban hye nyumade bebre wo ho but ya sha sa pedicure and manicure ya de usuya wunya big capital na ba out how they start
opie ba ya kakra
mo se wonya hotel bi si abonte na wonya ska kakra koma kola na se be dia koto
wonya be 1 million 2 million bi kra na anse wo ko
sanity
obi kra de oni ko wo ti ko fie to fie mo wrere ma mo
sanity
e bia mo ni na mo bobo kokoro so na mo wrere to o making
sanity 2 years excuse we say untimi enye me kai ye ko some female prisons December last year echo train master I'm talking to you now professor maybe one man you train one man say so maybe shop e wo ashama na wonya kola so e kire wo every say celebrity kan bebre ko na ba busuafo kwa person bejo matena fie eti yaduma die ne yatetewa yatetewa mo ida wo sa kwa ye sa make sure say ye be tuto niema yayi na oba fini ebusuafo betima sa agina tum e wo fie eti wo mo ha ye kire wo sa bi gbanya ne ya ne wo busuafo so e din kita ho say ya boni be ka say discharge na also because prisoners one of their problem is say bebre si ye yi wo ma o mo ko fie mo ni ba bi tina mo so sanity or some sanity it was so few cross in mo fie dia be na be ye me san ko ye na me san ko ma chibie it gives a pedicure and medical ejumadi a yetete o ma enye se eja on kaka yesa ma wo package material pedicure and medicure o pie ni na o set of medicure pedicure de ko ye
o chira me say dwumadie no ye be train no ye be ma workshops e wa afiase wo awurade adom ya ma wo krata wutimi bowura o maso e kwa indicate wo to wa wi agbo pie won pie no ne ya ma ne moma a wode koy ne dwuma
o woni wode koy dwuma o woni wode koy
mo ti ye bi ama obi apie kwa masa ade ne hu bebre ana bi kan kai some female praises female praises no ya kwatete omo last year December na it was wonderful na ya ti omo fa sa medical and pedicure we have 3 days na about 24 emails if you na say because no me abionu na ana ya tete wo ma amunya asuahunu e wo ho no mo pia dodo na ya ma wo package for a set of some medical and pedicure no ya tete wo mo nya ni empanfo wo so e dinki down fi say mo show wo so no they know them more than us. If we have interruption with them because one will go command material craft obi obeton on fanya adwuma eti ene omo di enkita ho e mo guide ye say okay oba we bia na ho fama ye oba we na ho fama ye nti o be pie ne adwuma ne ma show mo sa all no ye sa monitor ye say ja ne kra ansa na obekon ne won rest the baby ofi wa o kotena ye di ka ko baby oti na busuafo akohia di nkita ho say omo ba say ne wa ha o ba ne ye 20 no o hye ho ne ye ni di town, you never shall force it into town. It's a baby woman, I curse why I said the funnel, and now call baby, I will free buy it. It's the proper brain, I won't free my yamada, yes, I saw a moment here to my Ashama, if you are Bolliga, some no Casas, if you won't cry, I'm free of Fiasia. You never had more, Mamma started almost shop by you know what's I in town up to now. Onyamini Pa, Odi for Richmond man, radio girls and go for there to come Shania country, but we did. As for my practical life, it is amazing. You do that. So, if you are only down for physical work for the prisons, now about the inmates, now focus about Yeniano and Ma, or Makudia Game, and family Papa and Panya Boy. The Akon Apple, and Tian Endless, a war. You do it. I don't know that the Vietnam muscle. I'm more setting NGO. And young man, or you may be so I had you when tell me see a bread, a what young ma, a word fiasa. Now, I do the night, the medical culture say, and we did the apostle college body. Many men are putting in body for Richmond, many at Chicken one and about that offenders second chance Ghana. Body for why no what? Because you can a huge one. How do you do it? A partner is not possible.
Megiri said, you may get Yankopon edit to a so baby. Unya, on for money up, Yankopon providing. You started a layer for family and friends. I never support on a income and Yamado Doom, you know. We say, you may be so I can't jump Bible see Yesu Christo cast and was me there fias one me there the Jawan Katami home, a contain one may be a nearly. Now because a Jahini Shiao was a someone yama one yama. It can Hebrew chapter 13, verse number 3. So a Bible says, young kind one now there fias. Near your mother and your fear see what say as if say, Yana yo. It's a phone brave, a moi. It's me, a kind salon, kakra, the bois woman, the dear and media see, and so no, yet me, the support of money baby. It's other 4 bois, and you are 4 bois, and you are 4 bois. I know my young couple, I do my intimacy almost of bois, and I'm going to do me as no. Yes, you have the support, say, young mom, dear fiasco, young bit my woman.
Wow, second chance Ghana. Offenders, second chance Ghana. A founder and the leader. We are so for make up your grand chaos of for and an NGO passing digital in us. And that you're the legitimate move for any enough for security, not yet so. Now, with you, or see there be the walk near wood, the now sorry cacre the man, and the other for the man or Bob and the call inmates. You can see inmate, I did actually say, and Ma, and you have before the dark if you are saying, Titu, your botai. As you say, I can't say what we did. A man who got us a year more. We can't suffer a year 2000 and 2001 and make us South Africa. I didn't actually say, maybe call him to see action. I didn't hear, you say, suspect our airport. Ubia could be born. Now, one come with action. Tama, you lose one come. na ye na kwa koto cells baba eno so say this here
the gram say kakra when you born you must kakra sa na o kaya e be kaya e tie be kaya say 2000 and na change of government aba no ha fe na ya to aba ma president Kufuor aba so na Ghana ye beja e tie ma Kufuor take advantage o me akono ni ade it me kai say it was a Thursday and I walk to car international airport. Na sana omu chase obi anane ye car no eye similar e say eti ye wo airport ase de kan owura mu airport check in. And I even say soldiers e twa ye ho ahia omu di nipa be 10 me kura mu ti ase no say master want to talk to us. Ufu ya de be kana start my own program tanta here Thursday. Me say me kwa ba be counseling to omu twa me. Eti ada yo manya information say me ye am robber. Yeah, Robert, me so for my program series no. I was here at airport police station. I'm so okay. The Jeremy said Pajaro Bako says he a car full of soldiers. I mean, the airport police station. Now, me can say that was the time I Holy Ghost they told my kuma so but email because me we say yanko for be there fear say I don't my money.
The bre yeah chotobua we say said Ghana and do na no the disua wo and it's some too. Now we police station and can get to a that's right. What trauma was a sign. Make us say we be so bukaka crowd. And no there,
that's what happened to us. Make us say you call a fiancé on go for baby or go than 2 months. You must have that time. Because more than 17 years, you got to know sales or say or to air fresher and we be told if I go say a fake. What call remind that 3 months. Your man, the bush for that time, according to him, the bush for himself show. Because you're trying to know some idea call accent calls. You're trying to say, do us here, and only as you can be doing a statement, necessary. I'm saying, what? You're trying to see that they say, oh, who you near you, preach, can't use that number. And the judge say, what I said, they should detain us for further investigation. I'm saying, Nyakupon, and the Nyakama for my bill. Because you can imagine say, oh, mom, there are so many come for.
You see,
you understand?
Me mammy, you be on the fias. Obi could react here. And Obetoma would need say, I didn't have it. That's what talk on here. One number, young going and tears here. The purpose of an idea was cut into this scout of amount. The 2 years, yet jelly for 5 years. I am very sad about people. Oh, you have a state, you see, Papa, very sad because Mekai, case, you see, Emma, who say, Bibia Tomato. When I can't go, mammy, who says, Yamia, because, oh, sure, one woman I want to go for a Roman manager, woman how to talk to woman and fiancé. A bit me yesterday, Tom, and fiancé. Because you have someone to talk to you, that's why you are still walking around. You have someone to defend you, that's why you have money to hire a lawyer, that's why you are walking around. Because a lot of people didn't have opportunity to have lawyers. You once one female prison. Your man who from the prison home there, you say you shock. Everyone just 5 minutes. Papa, me say you after it's a one female prison project. Me wa and when follow they can call me Papa only for assembly about woman be or no be akasa 10 million one buy see a man 5 years 6 years. I have to talk to my wife near register say make Papa with money bill. Can you imagine? Do you understand? You know, me chili say obi are walking around here. God save you so that you can save someone. God defended you so that you can defend someone. I thank God for prophet's life. This is one of the heartbeats of God. Was used by or the dear piercing them before. Now you know that we are in prison of sin, but it takes the grace. And physically, if somebody is in prison, yeah, I suffer but this is a time we need to show love to our fellow inmates. Now, boy, prophet. I said the baby, if you be percent or baby now over support or babwa, the baby now or money, prophet, I didn't have opportunity.
Apostle, I was a baby. I'm saying, a man, in Yamwa because I say Nipa Bako from and Sunyame and Nikata. Over affair, you may see and over Ghana, you have 7 major female prisons, the whole Ghana, 7 major female prisons. Already, a decade in 7 female prisons. This year, from August, you have visited the other 6 major female prisons. And from August 26, you have the Kumasi female prisons. Almost every moment, pedicure and medicure. If you open your post-Sunyani female prisons, near Tuaswako Tamale female prisons, you fry whole female prisons, you have secondary female prisons, near Akuse female prisons, Nina about 6 major female prisons. Young point to me. It's a tier for your best song, Samonia, or mom, their fiancé, Amwa. It will say a bit much will be it can happen to sometimes. So I'm not betting the idea to so a brand new. It is so we have a set or your mobile money or order. If I could be over so more betting this can up to Mama Ye.
When the mobile money number and the screen is
and the screen as
well. Screen the accounts details and
house number so
who person 7 prophet number and a good asiano. Your email you want to just send us a message, your email address and so any ubetima contact here. Okay, so go to YouTube. Now actually Facebook. We your projects with your YouTube accounts just watch us. Now the question here any prisons are who I have visited. Show your pictures and you know Cassiana a here. One first picture, you have a call for you. And my prisons officers are, you know what change your pictures. The Bacho, Uber Sawam for Ubetumako, Yang Ankasa, your normal Ewa, Uber Kokumisa, Sabi, and then I'm 1 for 70, Yana Yana, and Sweden, you can trace us. Ubetumake a crop and fray, you can trace no Ankasa investigations. Nemusampa, Udi for Richmond, man, the radiation that be actual Nakomaso. Yamisho, Yipa. Papa, well, last comment. Now, Yafa, Ebra, I was young, we shall on your case. Make us happy, and said the Dona, Yamana Macoso, so Akano. Some medical catch will be and say, you say, Bibia bet now to be a Bibia, if you are saying Bia. Nipa Kohodoma, I was a Yapono, Yapontino, we are Jumagenia, a church, Romunia, Samuel Kenya, Kopasa, Mum said, you are there for a purpose. Before I know Mukwana, if you say, it's Yanya or Mumwa, near Yan to as a kind of a voice, and Yanskan to me, sometimes Yamadia, dear my or the Maya for a purpose for someone. It's young kind of and yet me more or mom there, Fiasano. Now, a beer. Not the be sending Pafono and a show. Now, if you are not the be Saddam and that probably will never know. Yes, so wife, so are you abandoning to 1 hour now? Just a wife, our chicken, no problem. I have now more. Now, wife, so I could die. How medicure, pedicure, yeah. And now I am well educated. It's Ama, Agumagena is smooth. And I was that was well educated. Or buy him a wife, or buy him a cook back. Now, your friend Apostle Collins Body. Me and I'm telling you. Etoto minya bema odifo Richmond manu ano na abere ampa efinyane. God bless you. Shalom. Bye bye.